Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle channel. Before going into today's video, if you are not following me on my Instagram account, that is honaras.arts, then please do so at the earliest, and also subscribe me on my kids channel, which is Honaras Kids, for so many interesting videos for the children. In today's video, I'll be showing you very beautiful and unique jewelry which is available for deities. And please note that I have very limited stock, so in case if you want, please start placing your orders immediately, okay? And this is the WhatsApp number on which you will have to send a message along with the code number for the products that you need. So don't send me your photos, just send me the product code and how many pieces you need, and that is more than enough. Now let me just tell you, about the speciality of these particular jewelry. The stones which are being used to make this jewelry is American diamond stones, which is the same stone which is actually used to make jewelry for us. And as you can see, it is so beautiful, it is so shiny. To be very honest, the camera and the photos and the videos doesn't do justice for the beauty of these jewelry. And if you look at it very carefully, the way in which it is made, these stones do not fall off. There are other kind of stone jewelries where the stones actually fall off, but in this kind of a jewelry, the stone doesn't fall off, which means this is a one-time investment for you, though it is going to be slightly on an expensive side. And just to let you know, I have reduced the cost for this as much as possible and try to keep it at a reasonable rate. But the same piece, in case if you go to another seller and if you try to ask them, they are going to charge at least 50% more than what I am charging, okay? Just to let you all know on how economical, the price rates are over here. Though it looks like it is going to be at a higher expensive range for you, it's going to be at a much reasonable rate. Okay, so let me just show you on various kind of, the crowns which are available. So as you can see, this is a very tiny crown. This is for the smallest idols that you will be having, like 2 inches idol and 3 inches idol, very much suitable for those idols. As I said, the shine of the stones are not visible on the video. And this is one more crown which is available for a 4 inches, 5 inches idols and all. And see how beautiful this crown is. It also comes with a Prabhavali sort of thing, a chakra sort of thing at the back. The dimensions of each of these items I'm going to give it in the catalog so that you can have a look. So please have patience and watch this video completely. And this crown is especially for Krishna, okay? So if you look at it, it has got a peacock feathers and all. Okay, this is the biggest crown that I have. It has got feathers also. Yeah. And now let me just show you the smallest size necklace which is available. Okay, I hope you're able to see this. See how pretty this is. Actually, in fact, you can use this as a small necklace for any of your big idols also. For that also, this will look very nice as a choker and all. It can be used. Or even if you extend it like this, you can even use it as a waist belt. Okay, see how pretty this is. The next necklace that I'm going to show you is one of my most favorite necklaces. And this is how it looks. This also has the same concept. If you straighten it like this, you can use it as a waist belt. And if you bend it like this, you can actually use it as a choker. I'm not sure if you are able to see the shine of the stones and all. The glitter of the stones. See how pretty this is. And in fact, if you bend this slightly like this, right, you can actually put some chains over here and you can use this as a pendant also in case if you have got big idols. And because I liked it so much, I also attached it to this beads and coral mala basically. Okay, so this particular the mala, it is actually new and that is why somewhere it will be folding like this, so please ignore that. Okay, and in case if you want to purchase something like this and if you're worrying that this length is too much, don't worry about it, you can get it customized. So basically this was attached by me. Okay, I made this. I bought a very long mala and I've cut it and made sure that I can attach it properly. Okay, and it looks really professional, the work and all, so you don't have to worry about it. So just in case if you want only till here, this length, you can let me know and I can make it. If you want till here, you can let me know and I can make it. And one piece of advice over here, as far as the jewelry for idols go, I really feel like rather than using hooks and all, it is better to use threads over here, okay? Because just in case if the length is long, you can always pull it really tight at the back side and you can make the length short, okay? So either you can get this kind of a hook done from me, or otherwise you can just let me know and I can make, I can give you threads also, okay? And what is more special about this particular necklace is that it also comes with earrings. Can you see how beautiful these earrings are? And just in case if you are going to buy this set, let me give you a tip on how you should be buying this. So most of you people who are going to purchase this particular set will be having slightly bigger idols, something like 5 inches or 6 inches and more. So for you people, what you should do is, along with this particular set, so this particular set is going to come with earrings also like this, okay? And what you can also do is, along with this mala, you can just buy this, just the pendant one, okay, separately, so that this is going to become like a choker or a necklace basically, and this one is going to become like a long mala. So you are going to get the entire set from this. And yes, in the catalog you will also find bangles which is going to match this set, okay? So accordingly you can select that as well. So when you are having a look at the catalog, keep all these things in mind, okay? So just in case if you want to get the length of this customized, you can get it done from me. And in case if you are liking my handmade jewelry, then please do leave a comment on top of this video, because I have got loads of handmade bead jewelry, something which none of you have seen till now. Some very beautiful kondai and so many things that I can probably sell, but not right now. Maybe in a couple of months time. I just want to clear off all the orders that I have got till now for the handmade jewelry, and once that is over, so that time I can leave a catalog and most of you can place the orders. So don't forget to leave a comment on top of this video just in case you happen to like my handmade jewelry. And this one is that of ruby, the pink ruby which you get. Actually the color is even better than what is being shown in the video, okay? See how pretty this is. I did not get too many designs this time because I wasn't sure whether you guys, what will be the feedback from you guys, whether you're going to like it and whether you're going to feel like these are expensive and all. So that's why I bought limited options and very few items. So just in case if you guys buy all of these things, whatever I have right now, and if the stock gets over, then in the next stock I will try to buy more varieties in this, just in case if you guys are interested. And not just that, fortunately I was also able to find this beautiful Mangal Sutra which has got this stones chain. See how pretty this is. It's not American diamond, let me just make it very clear. It's not American diamond, but I'm just going to put it in the same catalog because this is the kind of Mangal Sutra that's going to suit for these jewelry, okay? Just in case if you're buying an entire set, then you might want to go for this kind of a Mangal Sutra, and this will also look very good for your Varamahalakshmi and your Navratri Kalash decorations and all. So in this there are actually two varieties. Over here the chain has got only stones, but there is one more variety which I have wherein it also has stones and pearls. Let me just show that. And this is that Mangal Sutra which has got pearls and stones. And as you can see, the chain has got both pearls and stones over here. If I'm not wrong, I think I just have 2 pieces in this, 2 or 3 pieces in this pearl variety, okay? So just in case if you want it, then do place the orders fast, otherwise it will get sold out. Okay, now let me just show you something very beautiful. What you are seeing over here is the bangles for the deities, okay? So I've just put it in a bangle stand, or rather, the finger ring stand, just to show you all and see how pretty this is. This has an opening system, so you can see the hinges over here. I'll just open one and I'll show you. There are basically 3 designs in the catalog. Smaller size is also available in this, and in fact if you want, you can as well use this as a finger ring for your tiny finger. Okay, it's that beautiful. So to open this, all you need to do is just press at one side like this and pull the other side apart, and it's going to open up like this. Okay, and then you can just put the bangles, and then you can press it again. For pressing, just press one side a little inside and then close it in this way. So this is how beautiful the bangles are. So the reason why I showed you all of these jewelry even before I showed the catalog is because I wanted you all to look at the shine of the stones, which unfortunately my camera did not capture very well, but you would have got an idea on how beautiful these jewelry are. Okay, so now that you have seen on the stones and what is the finishing and all, let me just show you the catalog so that you all can place the order. Again, as I said, you just need to send a WhatsApp message to me on this particular number along with the code and the number of pieces, and that is more than enough for me. The mode of payment is going to be Phone Pay, Google Pay or net banking, and please note that there is not going to be any refund or exchange or any negotiations in terms of prices. As I already told you that I'm giving away this jewelry at a very reasonable price, and also the finishing is going to be so good that I don't think any of you would want to return this back to me. So that is the reason why I'm telling there is not going to be any refund. So please have a look at the sizes carefully and then place your orders. And here is the catalog for these American diamond jewelry. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.